Clean, clean, clean. There you go. You're getting all the schmutz out of there. Well, looks a little less hateful in there. Looks pretty decent. Everybody gets to ask, what's the difference in that material? Like, do you think that's a good idea? Yeah, it's fine. That's what they keep saying. But all the electronics, as if there aren't. Yeah, there's nothing there. It's all mechanical. I know. Great. All right. There it is, boys. You're getting it. Do it again. That's a stubborn one. It's coming. Work on it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Paint starts coming off. Paint. I have no idea. I'm assuming some shade of white because of what's under here where the trim was, like a cream. Wow. Ooh, getting a little wet.
So, I mean, it doesn't take that much. Like, it's kind of amazing.
So you're going to take this back to your place and polish them all up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wow.
Unless you want to take some home.
well, not this week.
So, like, this here is overspray. Right there, that's overspray.
Overspray? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Which we will be able to get out, but I won't be able to do it.
Overspray when
right
they
now.
when they were painting the car?
Most likely.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Some rattle can rehab.
Yeah.
So keep
even hit it with your nail and it kind of comes up.
Maybe throw it on a buffer.
The buffer.
The
oh yeah,
buffer.
you got one of those.
What's that?
How are you going to clean the Galaxies? Is it, you know, because you can get a nice long sweep on this stuff, but how are we going to do this?
So these guys we do with a Dremel. And you know how the Dremel tools have like all the little different heads on them?
Different types.
Yeah. So we'll use a Dremel on that, right? I mean, it's coming up. Like I just literally brushed it off in the sink. So let's try it. Let's just see what it does.
Do they make a liquid
Do you want to try
form?
some? And we'll pass the rag around?
Do they make a liquid form of that where you could just dip it in a tray?
Not from this company, no.
Okay.
That's gonna be cool though, I guess, huh?
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Oh yeah, look at that already.
Wow, nice and shiny.
Shiny.
Compared to, so these two are done and these have not been done.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Look at how nice those have turned out. Those are our taillights. That's a lot better than what they looked like when we pulled them off the car. Impressive.
That sure is, man. Getting all this crud off.
Wow. They ain't that bad.
Definitely reusable.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
That's not dangerous like the Cadillac.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
And it's so, and you know, quite honestly, what you guys have accomplished in a few short weeks is huge. It takes guys like Mike and I months, if not years. Or decades. You know, if we're really dedicated, we can do it in a couple of years.